So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add image inside the Shopify. Okay, so a lot of people don't know about that. They actually adding the wrong images in the wrong size. They can edit. Okay, they cannot edit. So I'm going to show you from this script. So first of all, I want to add the image into over here. So first of all, I have to scroll down on the right side. Then I have to find out where I can exactly add the image. Okay, so initially event image 1. So yeah, I have added the first image here, and here's the second image. Now I will see the event image 3. So I will have to click on select image. I have to click on add file, and once I do that, I have to just click on the this is my client file. My client provided to me to add that, so I will just show you. And then my client told me, hey, for create a video and send it to me. The next time I can add. Okay, that's why I'm just creating a video, then I will send it to my client so that my client easily can add next time. Okay, so as you can see here, here's the three events. So I would like to keep okay, this is okay, it looks good, so I'll click the save. And then also, whatever you're doing, don't forget to keep save. Okay, and once that will be done, I should click on the responsiveness, and I should also check the responsive. Okay, how this is looks in responsive design. Okay, so I think it's pretty good and pretty cool. Okay, that's okay. And if I hover over, there is the effect. So this is also responsive, and I will ask to my client, hey, this is the done. So if you need to do any changes, I will ask to my client, and then if my client tell me, I will do it. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this video helpful. So if you want to create this kind of website, come to my agency website. I can create a free and professional website for you. So go ahead and do that and message me. I can create for free. Okay, so thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.